In this video, I will be showing you how to fix ChatGPT login error. Let's get started. If you're trying to use ChatGPT but keep running into a wall at the login screen, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps we can take. First, I am going to clear my browser data to remove any old or corrupted files. I go up to the top right corner of my Chrome browser and click on the three vertical dots to open the main menu. From here, I navigate down to my settings and select the option to delete browsing data. When the delete browsing data window opens up on my screen, I want to make sure I am doing a thorough clean. I click on the time range drop down at the top and change it to all time. I also double check that the boxes next to browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files are all securely checked. Once everything looks good, I click the blue Delete Data button at the bottom right. After that process finishes, I return to my main ChatGPT tab. The next thing I need to check is my browser extensions, as things like VPNs or strict ad blockers can often interfere with the login process. I click the three dots in the top right corner once again, navigate down to the Extensions option, and select Manage Extensions. This opens up my extensions dashboard. I locate my active VPN extension and I simply click the blue toggle switch to turn it off temporarily. With the extension completely disabled, I go ahead and close that tab. Now, to make absolutely sure that no residual data is causing an issue, I open up a brand new incognito window. In the Google search bar, I type in ChatGPT and hit Enter. From the search results, I click on the official ChatGPT link to open the main website. Let's test it out. I click on the Login button. I type my email address into the provided field and then click Continue. Next, I carefully enter my password and click the button to proceed. Just like that, the error is gone. I am successfully logged back into my account and the ChatGPT interface is fully loaded and ready to use. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials